All right, boys, Ultra B ride day. We're going to Carnegie SVRA. We got the 2025 Ultra B bone stock, literally bone stock tires too. Let's see how this goes. We're rocking the old reliable Electro and Co-van today, dude. We got the B, we got the Varg, the old Steed. The gassers out. Me and Nolan are the only ones on electric today. Even our electric homie with the Electro and Co Surron's rocking a gasser, dude. Wow, it feels so weird to be in a pack of all gas bikes on an e-bike. All right, we're in sport now. Give it a lap or two, see how she feels first. Oh, dude, this thing is so dialed. Alright, so we're out of Carnegie. Well, we're out of the track section. We're at 75%. There's like 10 hard laps, around 10. Trent's just enduroing everything as usual. So Carnegie is like 90% uphill. But you'll see instantly, we're like up in the clouds already, dude. We're going all the way up there, boys. So can the Ultra B hang with the 125, the 250, and the 350? The battery definitely doesn't. But as for the actual bike itself, it definitely does. Looks like we're going up this way. Oh, eating it no problem, dude. Front wheels up, straight into the fog, dude. Oh. What the hell? This dirt is so prime right now, dude. This fog is so sick, dude. Parking brake coming in clutch. What is it? Straight up that? I love how I'm doing this literally in Vans and a fucking sweatshirt. It kind of works though, bro. The Vans sweatshirt.
You're actually a fucking dude.
You guys are seasoned Carnegie riders, bro. This is my second time here. We're gonna try and follow Trent's line.
We just walked.
We're gonna put this fucking turbo. Oh, we're on the side. We're off of it. You guys do all this hill climbing shit? This is literally like the steepest hills ever in New York. They don't even have this at the tallest mountain. And he's about to just go back down it for fun and do it again.
Last time I went gambling, I put $100 in the slot machine. I hit max bet, $400. I went, I'm out of here. I got a speeding ticket on the way home.
No way.
How's the Surron do?
Pretty good. I mean, this is my first time on it out here. Yeah. Pretty good. It works.
How many miles are you getting out of it so far today?
We went on the track. I did like 10 laps, and now we're like here. We've done like what, like a mile so far?
Probably.
Yeah, like a mile. It's at like 70%. But it's also got no rear tire, so I'm spinning everywhere. It's not exactly set up for this, but
doing it. You're not at home or
nah, hell no. We're hanging out. It's awesome. You can't even see how big this is.
We're good. That was sick. Can you do that again? What's this guy do for an encore, dude?
Yes.
big guy.
Yes. Oh! Oh! Ah! Let's go! Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
If my bike does that, then we have something to worry
Yeah,
about.
exactly. This wouldn't happen if you had an e-bike, bruh. So we've been in sport mode like this whole time, pretty much. I'm going in between drive and sport to kind of conserve some battery. Oh! You literally can't even see this hill climb at all. Oh, this isn't that bad. Front wheel just up the whole entire time. Oh, it's so crazy because with the fog, you can't see a damn thing. And I'm just like, okay. Nice steep base, like no run up. Keep it in the rut. Rat.
Oh damn, that's a huge ass gap. Damn.
We're in drive. 41%, dude. Barely cooking it. Oh, coming in. Picking up the sport. Trotting and figuring it out. We don't want to kill too much battery. We got like 30 minutes left in our ride. I didn't even realize that my shifter was going.
Oh my god.
I didn't realize till now. I'm like, wow, this feels funny.
I have one in my bag.
Buy it off here.
You boys fucking
Ready? Oh. Ah. Straight walking down that one, dude. Oh, this is crazy, dude. Oh.
Good thing we have handguards on this thing still, dude.
Oh.
All right, boys, so I guess it is safe to say that the Ultra B definitely held up at Carnegie. With better suspension, better wheels, better tires for sure, and more power, that thing would be a total powerhouse, no doubt. And I think it'd have no problem against any big bike. Speaking of big bikes, we just picked up a brand new Arctic Leopard XC Pro S from the boys over at Jersey E-Bikes, and we have a bunch of things in the works with this bike. So make sure you're subscribed and have your post notifications on because we got a bunch of content on the way for you guys. Peace.